Hello everyone! Today I'm going to talk about some very important grammar. Many students make a mistake with this grammar, and it can be quite embarrassing if you get this wrong. I am boring. So we're going to talk about the difference between I am interested and I am interesting, and I am bored and I am boring, and some other examples too, so you can get used to this really important difference. The first thing to remember here is boring, confusing, interesting. These are verbs and they act like other verbs. For example, if I have a book and I think this book is not interesting, then I would say, this book bores me. So, like a normal verb, there's an action coming from the subject to the object. So, this book bores me. That means the book is boring and I am bored. Like, I am bored. The book is boring. The action is coming this way. So, I cannot say the book is bored, because when I say I am bored, that is my feeling, but a book doesn't have feelings. So a book cannot be bored. A book can be boring. But I can be boring. So if I'm talking to my friend and I'm talking for a long time, like blah, 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 telling a story that's too long, then I am boring and he is bored. So now the action is going this way. I'm talking too much and he feels like, so he is bored and I am boring. Let's look at an example with confuse. If I have a friend talking about a topic I don't understand, let's say it's the Chinese language, because I don't know about Chinese. She's talking to me about Chinese and I can't understand. I'm thinking, what? What is she saying? So she confuses me. Okay, this time the action is coming this way. So if I want to explain my feeling, I should say, I am confused. Did you get it? Confused, yeah, because that's my feeling. I am confused. Now, how about her? She is confusing. Yeah, she is confusing. Good job if you got it right. She is the cause of the confusion. Okay, let's look at another example, and I'm going to ask you again to give me the answer. So, if I go to work, I have lots of work to do, and I am feeling like this. Then I would say, my work tires me. Okay, my work tires me. So again, it's coming this way. So my work is tiring. Good job. I'm sure you got it right. My work is tiring. It's the reason for this feeling. And because it's my feeling, I would say I am tired. Good job. I am tired. My work is tiring. This grammar works with many verbs that explain feelings. So, for example, I am excited. I am excited. This movie is exciting. Okay, it's coming this way. The movie is the reason, and I have the feeling. So, I am excited. This movie is exciting. If somebody receives a present or gets a present, we can say she is surprised, because she is like, wow, she is surprised, and the present is surprising because the present surprised her. The present surprised her. She is surprised. Wow. This last one, not very friendly, but it's something people might say. We might say, like if you have a friend and he's talking too much, he's making stupid jokes, you might say, I am annoyed. You know, that means I'm angry. I'm like, oh, shut up. I am annoyed. He is annoying. He is annoying. I am annoyed. Yeah, he annoys me. Okay, so he's the reason. So he is annoying and I am annoyed. Oh, shut up. Before we finish up with some important points, I just want to point out an important exception. So exception means something that is separate from the rule. And that is the word scary. So scary, we have an adjective. So if there is a monster and the monster is like, rah, usually, we wouldn't say the monster is scaring. We would say the monster is scary because we have this adjective. The monster is scary, rah, and I am scared. I am scared. Yeah. So be careful because I've had many students who tell me they watched a movie and they said, I was scary. No. The movie was scary. You were scared. The important thing to remember here is if it ends with ed, so scared, bored, confused, tired, this is a feeling. Could be your feeling, his feeling. Somebody has this feeling. If you say ing at the end, so confusing, boring, tiring, that is the reason for it. That's the reason for the feeling. So if I say I am bored, it means I am feeling like, this is long, I'm bored. If I say I am boring, that means I am talking too much, blah, 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 blah. I'm talking for too long and it's boring. So maybe now this video is a bit long, so you might be bored and I am boring. So I'm gonna stop there and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching this video. Comment below with your questions or thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all back here next time.